Before we begin, make sure that power is being supplied to the motor, as the controller will not be able to send signals to the motor without power being supplied to the motor. We will begin by connecting the speed controller to the motor via the control cable and verify that it is securely connected. We will then locate the power switch on the top of the controller and turn the power on. The current RPM of the motor will be displayed on the screen, and to change the RPM of the motor, we will hold the set button for 2 seconds until the parameter menu shows up. The controller is set by default in constant speed mode. We will select the constant speed mode parameter P001 and hit OK. We will then set the desired RPM using the arrow keys, and we will hold the up arrow key for 2 seconds or until it moves to the next column to change the column selected and set that RPM to the desired RPM. We will continue and set the RPM to our desired RPM and then press OK. You will now hold the M key at the bottom of the controller for 2 seconds to send the signal to the motor. This will cycle power to the fan, but it will come back on at the new set RPM. Alternatively, we can set the fan to 0 to 10 volt mode so that it can be run using a 0 to 10 volt signal from the set RPM down to the minimum RPM of 200. We will hold the set button until the parameter menu shows up, and this time we will select P008 and press OK. In this screen, a 0 represents constant speed mode and a 1 represents 0 to 10 volt mode, so we will set this to 1 and press OK. We will then again press and hold the M button on the screen for 2 seconds, and this will change the fan to be functioning in 0 to 10 volt mode. We will then hold set for 2 seconds to return to the parameter menu, select P000 and press OK. We will set this speed to the desired RPM, again using the up arrow key and then holding the up arrow key for 2 seconds or until it moves to the next column to set the desired RPM and then press OK. We'll then set the RPM to the desired RPM by pressing and holding the O button at the bottom of the controller for 2 seconds.